Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me HP Smart Tank 615, and I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when after printing, when you're printing, the printer is left in black or colored lines on your paper card. So it can happen when your page smears are dirty and you need to clean it. But of course we can't clean page smears physically, so we can't open it and clean it using our hands or household items. So we can do it only using the program in our printer, or of course you can give your printer to the service center and they will clean it manually, but we can do it using the interface of our printer. So to do it using the interface, you need to open the setup, then click tools, and here click clean page smears. Click OK, load unused plain white paper, of course, in your printer, and then touch OK. And just wait a while, it will take several minutes. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!